Hi guys, welcome to Easy Maths Lessons. Today we are going to look at equivalent fractions. And the first thing we need to establish is what on earth does equivalent mean? It's a bit of a, difficult word, isn't it? Equivalent. Now, equivalent comes from the word equal. And equal means the same as. So if I say to you that 2 times 2 is equivalent to 4, it means that 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 2 times 2 is the same as 4. All right, so how does this relate to fractions? Let's have a look. So if I've got this little square here, and I'm going to take this square and I'm going to cut it into 4 equal parts. That will give me 1/4 for each part. So each part is equal to 1/4. But if I divide each of those squares again into equal parts, so like this, then I don't have quarters anymore. I now have eighths. So each of these little squares is now equal to 1/8. And I can now see that if I take 2/8, then that is exactly the same as 1/4. So 2/8 will be equal or equivalent to 2/8. Let's look at some other examples. This time I have got 1/5, and I've got this little box here and I've highlighted 1/5. Now I'm going to take it, and what I want to do is split each of them into 2 equal parts, so just like that. So now I can see that not only do I have 10 equal parts as opposed to 5 before, but they're a little bit smaller. So 2/10 this time, so 2/10 is equal to 1/5, and therefore 1/5 is the same as 2/10. Let's take 1/5 again, but this time I'm going to split them into 3 equal parts, like so. And I can now see that instead of having fifths, I now have 15ths, right? So they've got 3 then, another 3, and so on and so forth. So 15 in total. So 1/5 is the same as 1, 2, 3 15ths. And there we go. So 5 times 3 is 15. 1 times 3 is 3, so 3 15ths. Let's have a look at this one. I've got 4/7. And 4/7, if I've got my diagram here again, so I've got 7 little boxes in here, and I've highlighted 4 of them. Now I'm going to split each of them into 2. And when I do this, you'll see that I now have not 7, but 14 boxes of equal size. And 4 of them, 4/7, is now actually 8/14, because I had to times everything by 2. So 4/7 is exactly the same as 8/14. If I look at 3/4, for example, so I have got here 3/4, so I've highlighted the 3 out of the 4, but I want to split everything into 3 parts. So all of it has now been split into 3 equal parts. I no longer have quarters. I do, however, have twelfths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 twelfths is the same as 3/4. Let's have a look at when there's no diagrams available. Now, the question, for example, this could be an exam question, and the question could say that find the equivalent fraction. So I know that from 11, if I times it by 7, I'll get to 77. But whatever I do at the bottom, I must do at the top. So 7 times 7, well, 7 times 7 is 49. So 7/11 is the same as 49/77. Another example may look like this. And this time I don't have the 2 denominators, but I do have the 2 numerators. So I can say, well, actually, 9 goes into 36. Well, it goes in 4 times. So whatever I do at the top, I must do at the bottom. So I must do 12 times 4. 12 times 4 is 48, and therefore 9/12 is the same as 36/48. Now it's your turn. Give it a go, press pause, and I'll be ready with the answers. Here you go. 4/10 is 12/30. 6/8 is the same as 24/32. And then I've swapped them around, so this time you'll see I've got 60/110. And 60/110 is the same as 12/22. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you got them right. Leave me a comment in the comment box, share it, like it, and go mental. And I'll see you next time.